Avalanche has been on an absolute tear lately, and you might be asking yourself, how much more does it possibly have left in it? It's currently ranked number 11 in market cap, and it's just continuing to grow. And I can honestly see Avalanche being in the top 5 by the end of this bull run. And I'm going to show you why that is. First, let's start off with the fundamentals with Avalanche. So we can see here on their website, it has greater than 4,500 transactions per second. It has a total supply of 720 million tokens, with 360 million of these tokens currently in circulation, with the remaining being for staking rewards. And all of the fees burn more Avalanche. This makes Avalanche deflationary, and it's going to increase as the supply decreases. Avalanche has also been on an absolute tear in terms of outperforming Ethereum. Ethereum's been one of the highest performer cryptos at the moment, and whether or not you like Ethereum or not, I use it as a benchmark for all of my other cryptocurrencies. We've got an incredibly fast and efficient layer 1 that can connect to the Ethereum networks with applications such as MetaMask. We've got a deflationary asset, and we've also got a widely used ecosystem. There are heaps of other blockchain services it's going to provide to other people, including NFTs. Avalanche is an ecosystem I'd be looking at personally just based on its fundamentals alone. So here are the technicals for Avalanche. So we can see here on a 50% Pizzino fib tool that Avalanche does not like to touch its 50% often, and we can see it touched it once on the 28th of November and again on the 26th of November. We've also got volume drying up a little bit, but what I'm seeing is that Avalanche is set to have another run very, very soon. We're starting to see on our RSI, we dipped below it, and now we're starting to make our way to the 65, and we got a bull form happening here with our high bull indicator. Also got a MACD with our blue line underneath, signaling the bearish, but I anticipate the blue line to go above the orange line shortly. And we've also got our histograms here starting to go down and start to turn green. So Avalanche looks like it's going to start gearing up. Nice run very, very soon. I've also got my trend line here, and you can see that Avalanche really doesn't like to test support often. And this is what I say all about those good cryptos. All those good cryptos do not like to touch support often. You have to wait on the bench, you have to wait for your entries and grab on them. And if you do, it's pretty easy money. This is why the crypto market is all based on emotions. We have to wait day in and day out for our opportunities. But if you wait, you'll get these two opportunities here to buy at the 50% mark. So you can see we got up on the 20th of November. You would have had to wait about a week for it to hit its 50% mark. You would have got another opportunity 2 days later on the 28th. And if you got that, you've got on, you latched on, enjoy the ride. And like I said, up here on the graph, it will not surprise me if Avalanche can flip XRP for market cap, and possibly even Cardano. Cardano doesn't have a vibrant ecosystem. Avalanche does. What about price predictions? Well, I've got my fib extension tool here, and we like to see cryptos start to blow past their 50% mark, which is this orange area here. That would take Avalanche anywhere between $150 to about $165 US dollars. So if we push past here, well, we know that coins like to go on their 1.6 mark, and that would take Avalanche to 266 American dollars from where it is now. If things go really crazy, we've got more significant levels here. We've got the 3 mark, which would take it to $390. And if we start going really crazy and start to get this blow off top, we can even start looking at almost a $500 Avalanche coin. And what you're looking for, guys, is good cryptos. You're looking for good fundamental coins that can continue to burst through. Solana did this too. Solana was able to start small, continue to go up, and continue to push up because it has a use case. You're looking for coins with good use cases at good prices. If you wait for the pullback and you purchase it, you can enjoy the ride as these things starts breaking through these resistance barriers. Personally, I would be waiting for Avalanche for a bit of a pullback if I can personally, but this is why it's important to have your charts ready to go and alerts ready to go, so that when you have these pullbacks, you're alerted, your phone goes off, and you go in and you start snagging up these cryptos and enjoy the ride as you start to go through it. So that's Avalanche. If you want to have a look at my Ethereum video that I did, I actually called Ethereum about ready to blow off, and it looks like Ethereum's already up 10% in just the day alone. And